got a C2 on this side, so I'm gonna just contact it very lightly. But he's got a lot of flexibility. T1. And just relax. Go ahead once.
Really good. Okay, let's flip you over. It's a common tension area for 100% of the cheer team. Right here. Okay, give me a breath in. Back out. Good job. Come around here. Okay, let's go big breath again. Good job. It's a little high on the right, so let's go on your side.
I can feel that one.
Okay, breath in. And out. Good job. One more.
That one went before.
Yeah.
That's it. And here it goes, right here.
Oh, wow.
There it is.
That is crazy.
Just in case, we're going to bring the end point of the end of joint play right here. Great. And go ahead, breathe in and then breathe out. That's it. Beautiful. And then right here, we'll go ahead and adjust.
Wow.
There it is.